I promise you that I will be a better person from now on and I will never hurt you again. I am sorry. I am sorry that I misbehaved with you. You know how much I love you. Come back to me again. I know I create unnecessary arguments between us. I promise you I will not do it again. I am sorry. I promise you that I will put more effort into our relationship so that it goes a long way. I am sorry, please stay with me. I love you. I will make up for all the days I ruined. Please forgive me. I am sorry. I did not mean any of the harsh words I said earlier. I am sorry for being immature. Please forgive me. I am sorry from the core of my heart for hurting you this bad. Please forgive me. I love you. Ask me to do whatever you wish for. I will do anything for you, but please accept my apology. I am sorry. I promise I will destroy every reason that brings tears to your eyes. Please forgive me this time. I am sorry. I will not be able to survive with you in this cruel world. Please don't leave me. I am sorry for everything. I confess that I am over possessive about you. That is because I don't want to lose you. Please try to understand my insecurities. I am sorry. I should have been careful about what I say. I did not want to make you cry. Please forgive me. I love you. I am very fortunate to meet someone like you. Please don't go away. You are my life. I am sorry for my wrong actions. Being insecure about losing someone special like you is obvious. I am sorry for hurting you because of my insecurities. Please forgive me.